Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a 10-inch frying pan that promises American craftsmanship, natural non-stick performance, and robust construction. This is the Globehome 10-inch ceramic non-stick frying pan, and it's boasting some serious features that we need to put to the test. First off, let's talk about what makes this pan stand out. The company highlights American craftsmanship, featuring Arizona's advanced far-infrared ceramic coating paired with a precision 5-ply stainless steel body and an ergonomic handle. The idea here is even heating and effortless cooking, making it easier to prepare healthy, low-oil meals. This is a big promise, and as reviewers, we're always keen to see if the reality matches the marketing. The core of their natural non-stick claim is that far-infrared ceramic coating. They state it's developed for healthy cooking without harmful chemicals, and importantly, it's PTFE and PFOA free. This is crucial for many consumers today who are looking to avoid those potentially concerning compounds. They also mention it's scratch-resistant, durable, and corrosion-resistant, which, if true, would mean this pan could stand up to the rigors of daily use and preserve the natural flavors of your food. Now, let's get into the construction. The 5-ply cookware aspect is where things get interesting. It's crafted from 304 and 430 stainless steel with a triple aluminum core. This layered approach is designed to provide precise temperature control and even heat distribution. The benefit of this construction is usually a pan that heats up quickly and consistently, avoiding hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. They also emphasize a durable, warp-resistant design, which is essential for any piece of cookware that you expect to last. Cleaning is often a pain point with frying pans, but Globehome claims quick and easy cleaning. They attribute this to the smooth non-stick surface, suggesting most foods can be wiped off in seconds. If this pan truly delivers on its non-stick promise, it could significantly cut down on kitchen time and scrubbing. Finally, compatibility is a big deal in any kitchen. This Globehome pan is designed to be compatible with all cooktops. Its fully wrapped 430 stainless steel exterior means it works on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. A really impressive feature is its oven-safe rating up to a remarkable 650 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a lot of culinary possibilities, from searing on the stovetop to finishing in the oven. The handle is secured with high-strength stainless steel double rivets, which is a sign of good construction that should ensure stability and durability, even with frequent use and high heat. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons based on these details. On the pros side, the emphasis on healthy cooking with a PTFE and PFOA-free ceramic coating is a significant draw. The 5-ply construction with an aluminum core points to excellent heat distribution and control, which is fundamental for good cooking. The high oven-safe temperature and universal cooktop compatibility make it a versatile tool in the kitchen. The promise of easy cleaning is also a major plus. However, there are always considerations. While they claim durability and scratch resistance, ceramic coatings can sometimes be more susceptible to scratching than traditional non-stick surfaces if not treated with care. The term American craftsmanship is marketing language and the actual manufacturing origin might be elsewhere, but the technology and design principles are what matter most. We'll need to see how it performs in real-world cooking scenarios to truly judge its longevity and non-stick capabilities over time. In conclusion, this Globehome 10-inch ceramic non-stick frying pan presents itself as a high-quality, health-conscious, and versatile piece of cookware. The combination of advanced ceramic coating and robust 5-ply stainless steel construction, along with its broad compatibility and high oven-safe rating, makes it a compelling option for home cooks looking for performance and healthier cooking methods. It seems designed to handle a wide range of culinary tasks efficiently and with minimal fuss. Link in the description.